Hi guys, it's Rushi. Welcome to my channel. Recently my friend gave me this water tube colors as a gift on New Year. Its brand name is Camel Watercolors. It comes with nearly 18 shades like Chinese white, lemon yellow, peach and many more. It costs around 160 rupees. You can purchase this at any near store to your house. Today I am going to try this watercolor for very first time. Today I am going to make a loose painting. So let's start it. I am using drawing sheet. Use tape to stick your paper on plain surface. Use any dish to put your colors and use round brush and take some water. Start putting your basic colors into your dish. I am taking my first favorite color blue to make clear background. Start adding water to your paint. If you need any lighter shade, use more water. If you want a darker shade, use less water. Spray a thin coat of clear water. Start putting blue color to your background. Start adding some basic shapes that will help you in the further. I am sketching a roof. It doesn't need to be perfect. I am using brown color to make walls of the store and green basic color to make plants. Take any black color sketch pen or pen to make outlines. Enjoy my sketching process. more awesome videos like this. Thank you.